Hi there, future investors, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll be covering the 26th of August market updates. As you already know, this series is produced in collaboration with my investing buddy Luke Becker from LBecker Finance. You should definitely check him out on X and also subscribe to his newsletter. Today, the market faced some volatility. The semiconductor sector was hit hard with big tech also dragging the index down. Everyone and their mother is waiting for Nvidia's earnings on Wednesday. That will set the tone and pace of the market moving forward. As for now, there are just too many doubts and uncertainty clouding the markets. After a positive finish last week, today the S&P ended the day down 0.3%. Last Friday, expectations were that the market would be risk on starting today. However, that's not what happened. Let's take a look at some hits of the day. Small caps, meme stocks, crypto stocks, and Chinese stocks, they all got hit hard. Notable winners of the day were Asana, up 4%, GPS, up another 4%, and Kava, up 3%. Notable losers of the day were Pinduoduo, down a whopping 28.5%, SMCI, down 8%, and Sweetgreen, down 8%. Fubo stock is getting a hit after the rally out of the win in the lawsuit. I had to check out what was happening, so I found out FuboTV is offering a great deal with a limited deadline, the 29th of August. Right now, new subscribers can get FuboTV for just $52.99 for the first 4 months, quite a discount from the original price of $73. Basically, you can use it to save around $80 until the end of the year while watching to your favorite sports events, including the college and NFL football season kickoff, all the way until Christmas. I wonder if David Gandler, Fubo's CEO, will pull a rabbit out of his hat meanwhile, or if it's gonna wait and see how it goes. For me, the most important thing on Fubo is profitability in 2025, so I hope they do not do anything rushed. Moving on to one of my biggest positions, PayPal. The PayPal USD stablecoin is part of PayPal's mission to revolutionize commerce globally. This past weekend, we reached a major milestone, over $1 billion in market capitalization. This is just the beginning, and Alex Chris said he was excited to keep growing for the future. The market is waiting for Nvidia's earnings. If they come with a triple beat, my guess is that we'll have a mad rally up. Nvidia is set to announce its second quarter earnings on Wednesday, and the tech world is watching it closely as the #1 indicator of AI growth and trend. Investors expect Nvidia to report strong earnings growth, driven by its dominance in AI chip design. The company's stock has soared over 163% this year, but rivals like AMD and Intel are struggling. Analysts believe Nvidia's data center business will continue to drive revenue, even as competition heats up. Now, moving on to the private side of news. More Red Lobster closures as bankruptcy continues. Red Lobster is closing 23 more locations by August 31st as part of its ongoing bankruptcy process. This follows over 100 closures earlier this summer, leaving the chain with about 500 outlets, down from 650 last year. The seafood chain is being sold to Fortress Credit Corp, which is also appointing a new CEO to lead the company out of bankruptcy. Mismanagement and competition have led to the chain's financial struggles. From lobster to makeup. Warren Buffett purchased a stake in Ulta Beauty, causing a 15% increase in stock value and sparking widespread interest. His move suggests a belief that makeup, considered a consumer staple for women, may perform well in a recession. The lipstick index theory supports this idea, as women tend to buy more makeup during tough economic times. If Ulta Beauty delivers strong earnings and positive guidance, Buffett's $260 million investment could yield favorable returns. Q2 earnings are coming to an end, and this week will determine how the market ultimately feels about the current cycle. So far, almost 80% of companies in the S&P 500 have beat earnings expectations. The biggest doubt in the air is regarding consumer spending. Tomorrow, we'll get a glimpse of the Consumer Confidence Index. It seems like the market will cool down until Nvidia's earnings, so take the opportunity to grow your favorite positions. That's it for today. Remember to always stay ahead and be aware of what's coming. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you back in a great future.